back brakes here. All I've done is undo these two positive driver nuts. I'm going to smack it around all over the place to loosen it and then try and pull it off. I'll come back when I've got it off. It's tougher than I thought, so obviously make sure your handbrake's all the way down, which it is. I'll try and prise it off with these pry tools. Right, it's took some getting off, but I found it easy to walk it off by prising there and prising there on the nut. So hopefully that'll help. Right, I'll keep going. Okay, so it's off. There you go. Just in case you need to rebuild it and you've forgot how to do it together. There's your adjuster, springs, locks. So that's it.